Slow down. It can spill. It will not spill. Lily, do not step in it. I did not mean to.
It is okay. Accidents happen.
Please clean this side too.
I worked on this for a long time. It looks so nice. Please do not touch it. I can make it pretty. Nora will like it. I am helping. Lily, what are you doing? I helped you. This was my schoolwork. So many pictures. Come out. Oh.
It is a nice, quiet morning.
Yes. A quiet morning is nice.
Mom, I can help too.
Of course, Lily. But ask first, okay?
Okay, I am a big girl now. You are still our little Lily. I am not too little. Lily, hold it with both hands. I can do it. Slow down. It can spill. It will not spill. Lily, do not step in it. I did not mean to. It is okay. We need a towel.
What happened here?
I did not mean to.
Did the juice spill?
I told her to hold it with both hands.
Nora, you are older. You should help her before it falls.
I did try.
We know, Nora. But Lily is younger. She needs help.
It is okay. Accidents happen.
Please clean this side too.
Okay. Sorry. It is okay.
All right. Let us be more careful now.
I need to finish this for school. It is pretty. I still need to color it. Can I look? Yes, but do not touch it. I worked on this for a long time. It looks so nice. Thank you. I need the colors to be right. Can I help? Not this one. It is for school. I will get water. Please do not touch it. I can make it pretty. Nora will like it. I am helping. Lily, what are you doing? I helped you. You colored it wrong. I thought it was nice. This was my schoolwork.
What happened?
She colored my drawing. I wanted to help.
Lily, you must ask before touching Nora's schoolwork.
Helping is kind, but touching without asking is not okay.
I did not mean to ruin it.
I know. But you still need to ask first.
Nora, I know this hurts. But schoolwork should be kept in a safer place.
But I only went to get water.
I understand. But Lily is younger. She may touch things without thinking.
So it is still my fault?
We are not saying that. We are saying you are older, so you must be careful.
Nora, Are you mad at me? I am not mad. I am hurt. I just wanted to help. Sorry. Okay.
I need these meeting notes in a few minutes. I will come back for them.
Okay, Dad.
Please do not move them.
Paper? I can make a plane. Lily, stop! Those are Dad's work notes. Look, I made a plane. Oh no. Dad said not to move them. I thought they were just paper. They are important for his meeting.
What happened to my meeting notes?
Oh. I made a plane.
Lily, these were important for my work.
I did not know. I tried to stop her when I saw it.
What happened?
Lily folded my meeting notes.
Nora, you were sitting right here.
I was using my tablet. I did not see her take them.
I know, but you are older. You need to pay attention when Lily is near important things.
I did try to stop her. Nora, please do not look at Lily like that. I am not trying to.
We need you to be patient with your sister.
Okay. Nora. It is fine.
This box has many family memories.
Old photos, drawings, and little things from when you were younger.
Can we see?
Yes, but only with us.
That is from my birthday.
Yes. These things are special.
Please do not open it alone.
I will just look. So many pictures. This one is pretty. Come out. Oh. No, no. Lily, what happened? I did not mean to. This is Mom and Dad's special photo. Maybe we can fix it.
What happened to the photo?
I did not tear it.
Nora, you are holding it.
I was trying to put it together. Lily opened the box.
Lily, did you touch the photo? I did not mean to.
Nora, why did you not call us?
I just came in. I was trying to help.
This box was important. Lily is younger, but you know better.
I did not open it.
But you should have watched her or called the parents right away.
Nora, you may need to miss family movie night and help fix this.
Why am I always punished just because I am older? Lily spilled the juice, but I was blamed. She colored my drawing, but I was told to keep it safer. She made planes from Dad's papers, and I tried to stop her. Now the photo is torn, and I am punished again. Nora.
We did not know you felt this way.
I tried to tell you. Nora is right. I spilled the juice. Nora told me to hold it with both hands. I did not listen. I walked too fast.
Thank you for telling us.
And the drawing? I colored it. Nora told me not to touch it. I wanted to help, but I should have asked. And Dad's papers? I made the paper planes. I did not know they were for your meeting. I tried to stop her. Yes, Nora tried to stop me. And today, I opened the memory box. I pulled the photo too fast. Nora did not tear it. She was trying to help me. Nora, we are sorry.
We thought we were teaching you responsibility. But we made you carry too much blame.
You can help Lily, but you are not Lily's parent.
Being older does not mean every mistake is your fault.
We should have listened better.
You will not miss family movie night.
I will not?
No, that consequence was not fair.
We will fix this together.
And we will listen before blaming.
I just wanted someone to hear me.
We hear you now.
Nora, I am sorry. I was scared. I let you get blamed. I will tell the truth next time.
I do not hate you, Lily. I just want to be heard.
And treated fairly? Yes.
Nora, thank you for helping because you want to.
It is our family photo. I will be gentle.
That is good, Lily.
Nora can help Lily, but Nora is not responsible for every mistake.
And Lily, when you make a mistake, you must tell the truth.
Even when I am scared.
Especially then.
Thank you for listening. I will try again. We all will. What story should we make next? Tell us in the comments. See you in the next video.